Hello everyone, welcome to Ruby Kit Foods, a channel of delicacies, travel and events. If you happen to come across this channel, please consider subscribing and also browse the membership. Please join and get a pack. And if you love my videos, please throw your super packs. Otherwise, I thank you so much, especially for those who have already subscribed, for your support. So guys, this morning I'm back with this video and I just want to make for you some breakfast tip. And the breakfast tip this time is on egg cheese roll. So keep tuned and let's go. So guys, these are all that I'm going to use here. I have 3 boiled eggs. I have cheese, cheddar cheese. I have all-purpose flour. I have parsley. I have yogurt here. Though it's good to use plain yogurt, but I'm going to use vanilla. I just want to have that flavor. I have normal milk and I have 2 eggs. So guys, keep tuned. By mixing my dough, I'll add some salt, add some water. So I'm going to use my free hand to mix the dough. So guys, I've just used warm water so as to make it soft, and because I'm not going to give it time to soften enough. So this is my dough. I'm going to use it to make some roti. I call them roti because they're not, they are more or less like chapatis, but not chapatis. There's some rotis. And for this, I'm going to take about 6 pieces of this. So keep tuned, guys. This is my dough. And as I told you, I want them to be 6. So I'll try to make them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is just okay. So I'll be rolling them because they have to be very light, guys. So you might wonder, they are still, don't make sure they are light, not so thick. So you will just roll them the normal way, like chapatis. And the reason why I've made it like that, because I want it to be so light. You try the texture to see if it's still heavy. So don't worry about the shape because we are going to trim it later. Just place my pan and I'm just going to weten it, but you don't need to use oil as in this case. We are just wettening the pan. Then you place your roti there. And guys, remember, just as I've said, you don't need to use oil. Just want to make it a little bit hard. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. You don't need to cook it, and you don't need to put some oil. So you put it aside and you continue with the rest. Make sure it is as light as possible. So you place it the same way and you let it cook. So keep tuned, I'll just continue doing the same way. I'll just continue the same way. The reason why I'm making small patches is because, you know, if it's too big, it's too large, it will be difficult for someone to hold. So for convenience, let me just make this size, but you can make the size of your own choice, guys. So this is also done. So the last one, guys. I'm done with my 6 rotis. So these are there. So the next step, I have some boiled eggs here. I'm going to create my boiled eggs. I'm going to grate them. 3 of them. Yes, this is a very delicious breakfast tip idea. I would only wish you could just subscribe to this. You could just give my video a like, and then more importantly, try it out. You'll love it. Once this is done, I'll place them inside there. Remember, these are boiled eggs. These are the cheese that I had. Yogurt. This is vanilla yogurt, but if you like, you can use plain yogurt. I've decided to use vanilla because I wanted that flavor of vanilla. Guys, you can see the mix now. The mix of cheese, cheddar cheese, boiled eggs, and some yogurt. So keep tuned, guys. My rotis, and I'll shape them well. So guys, this is what I'm going to use. I have an onion with me here, a plate. I'm going to beat my eggs here. Some milk, not so much, just half a glass. Then parsley. Then some little salt to taste. So I'll mix up everything together. So guys, note here, I have a mixture of cheese. Once more, I have a mixture of cheese here, boiled eggs, and yogurt. And here I have raw eggs, some little bit of milk, and parsley. So this is what I have here. So the next thing, I'll just place my pan to heat as I do the rest. So keep tuned by placing my pan here, guys. So I'll start by burning my pan. I will add some butter. I will let that butter cooks. Meanwhile, guys, here I will take this. I will add my cheese here. My egg cheese here. Then I will make sure I roll. That's why it is called cheese egg roll. You see, guys? Then from here, I'll make sure I dip it inside this mix. And put it aside. I'll continue with the rest. It when it's facing downwards. I'll continue with the rest. Then make sure you put it at the center so that you roll this side. Add it to the mix. Then, so now come with me. So I'm going to place them facing down. Them cook. So I'll continue with the rest while these ones are cooking, guys. Change them. And guys, it has a very nice, very aromatic smell. So this is how you change them. You can see how they are looking so yummy. So keep tuned as I finish up. I'll do the last one. Mix and place it aside. So guys, this is how they look like before they are cooked. So keep tuned, guys. They are done, and I'm just going to take them out. So I'll add butter again, guys. So I'll let it melt, and this time I'll add some cooking oil too to it, because as you know, when you use butter alone, they melt a lot so fast. So I'll just add some vegetable oil so that it doesn't melt. Cheese egg roll. So these are three. I'm still doing the rest. So keep tuned and see how yummy it is. This is it. Just going to take them out. This mixture is also not wasted, as the rest have been done, but you should not throw it away. So you can also make use of it. It will produce a very nice egg. So guys, I've just placed my pan just to continue with this. So what you're going to do is just to make sure everything mixes well, then you add it in there. Just wait and see how this egg is going to come out. Keep tuned, guys. Mixture that we had, it's also not going to be wasted. It really produce a very nice egg. So guys, you can see the egg is just okay and it's ready. So thank you for watching this. So when I'm making this, you can use this as well. See, look at this. These are the cheese egg roll. So this is a very nice breakfast idea that you can use to enjoy your breakfast or enjoy your tea. So guys, please just give my video a like, share, and more. So please try it out. Let me just try it one and see how it looks. At least. It's so nice. A taste of yogurt, taste of eggs and cheese. Let me try again. Yes, this is so nice. Please give my video a like, just as I said. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on another video.